In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Nano banana to create a K-pop band image. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. This will bring up results for Google's AI platform. Click the official Google Gemini website to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Just continue so you can access the creation tools. Once you're inside the Gemini app, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this button activates the new Nano Banana capability behind the scenes, which powers the image generation. Think of it as turning on an advanced style engine that's designed to follow prompts and create visuals based on your input. On the image creation screen, you'll see pre-made prompts. These are curated prompts that help you get great results without having to write complex instructions. Use the pre-made prompt for this workflow to keep everything simple and consistent. From the list, choose the option labeled Make a K-pop band for my photos. This template is tuned to give you that polished, vibrant K-pop aesthetic, bold styling, coordinated outfits, and stage-ready energy. Next, upload your reference image. This is the photo the system will use to understand faces or the overall look you want to carry into the K-pop style. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit photo. If it's a group, make sure everyone's faces are visible and not cropped. If it's a single portrait, a head and shoulders shot with neutral lighting works well. Avoid blurry images, heavy filters, or photos with strong shadows, since those can reduce detail in the final output. Only upload images you have permission to use. After you've selected your reference image, click Submit. The system will process your request and apply the K-pop band look based on the prompt and your photo. This can take a moment depending on your connection and the image size. While it works, don't refresh the page or navigate away so the generation completes smoothly. That's the full process. Search for Google Gemini, open the app, hit Create Image to enable Nano Banana. Use the pre-made prompt, choose Make a K-pop band from my photos, upload your reference image, and click Submit. With these steps, you'll get a stylized K-pop band image that's consistent, polished, and ready to share. If your first result isn't exactly what you envisioned, you can always try a different reference photo with clearer faces or better lighting to help the model capture the look more accurately.